friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Wednesday the 14th, and we're going to talk about Walgreens really quickly. If you're a Midwest shopper, you like to shop at Meijer, I have a deal for you at the very end. The first thing we're going to talk about, obviously the toys between 40 to 70%, we're going to touch on that. But there's actually free chocolate bars if you can line this up over at Walgreens. So this is one of them. It is the Kit Kat Mocha Duo. It's been on clearance for the longest time, and now it's 49 cents. We have an IVC coupon that's making them all free. And we'll just jog through that in a quick second. There's also a Reese's potato chip one that's also tagged at the same price. And then this one. So look for both. And if you find both the Reese and the Kit Kat, the coupon will attach to both. So I grabbed 7 at the store. They're the Kit Kat Mocha Duos. Here's the IVC coupon that you're going to load, which is $1 off too. Now I'm going to let you guys know that this is of a one-time use. So if you find 5 at the first store and then 70 at the next, hopefully you have 2 store cards because you can only use the IVC coupon once. Just to show you my receipt, I have 7 at 49 cents. So that's $3.43. IVC digitally applied, so I didn't even pay tax on this. So this was a really great deal. Thank you to all the ladies over on Instagram who posted about this deal. There's nothing better than free chocolate, and it makes a really good stocking stuffer. I would go look for this right away. Okay, guys, so a lot of the toys that are in the Christmas aisle, so there's like two side caps that face each other full of wrapping paper, chocolates. A lot of the toys now are tagged at 40% off right till Christmas Day. Some stores have toys at 70% off, but around here, a lot of the stores just have it at 40%. However, online, it's a different story, and we'll talk about that in a quick second. And I'm just going to blast through these slides really quickly. We had a giant Slinky. We have these adorable dolls that were almost $22, now down to $13.19. This little, I guess it's a flying doll, and she is $3.39. You know, if you're on a limited budget, use some Walgreens cash, and you have Christmas, and you are looking really good on a budget. We have this slime kit, sensory kit for $8.99. Now, I would recommend to really go in store because this looks really amazing for $5.99, but take a look at my hand, and I don't have massive hands, but like it is an itty bitty Barbie, so it's not the biggest one. Lots of great little stocking stuffers too. These are $3.59. So, you know, I would definitely go even to look at the 40% off toys, and then maybe ask a cashier really nicely, like, hey, could you scan some of the items if you find them online in your area that you know they're 70% off. These Fisher Price little guys are always so expensive at $5.99, even at 40% off, but so cute. Everything was tagged at the store. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner, good through December the 25th. So I'm assuming that on the 26th, everything will be 50% off. And then lots of these like sand or kinetic sand, 40% off. So cute. Play-Doh also 50% off for $4.50. Some adorable aqua beads, 40% off. When those hit 50, Aunt Rachel will be grabbing a bunch for her nieces. And then these really cute toys that look like toasters or like kitchen items, $4.79, also super adorable. And then for the older kids, lots of board games, also 40% off, or perhaps a family night. This one kind of piqued my interest. America Trivia for $7.79. So this is a little bit more, but if you have an older kid, maybe a great thing to pick up. And we have this Hot Wheels set for $20.99 at 40% off. Even if you wanted to grab some toys, guys, and throw it into the Toys for Tots bins at Walgreens, however you slice it or dice it, some very inexpensive toys. Now, LOL Surprise is rumored to be up to 70% off in store. If you love LOL Surprise, ask a cashier to do a couple scans for you. Through the curbside pickup or the app, you can see a lot of the products are also at 70% off. We have a Barbie for $2.69, so you know that's part of it. I can add all this to my kit. We have a little baby for $2.39. The mini brand for $2.54. That's also $70. Definitely go on to Walgreens.com or go to your store, whichever one you want to do, and see if you are in need of toys. They are practically giving them away. Store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. They have these food containers that are similar to Glad or Ziploc, and they are $2.99 this week. For this deal, guys, you're going to grab one, either the red containers, the blue, the red tops, or the green tops, whatever you want, but just one of them, and they are very sizable. Load both of these M-Perks, and this is today only, which is the 14th. Today it's 50% off, so it goes from $2.99 down to $1.49. Plus we have $1 off M-Perk, so it drops that down to 49 cents, and it's one per store card. Make it happen. Some very inexpensive food storage containers. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.